how to build a deep and long-lasting life vision. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Vector, where each click is a step forward in the journey of self-discovery. Have you ever wondered where you are heading in life? Or are you still drifting in the tide of life like a boat without a rudder? Today, we will explore how to not just be a fish swimming in a small pond, but a whale diving deep into the vast ocean. A life vision is not just about drawing a glamorous picture and waiting for miracles to happen. It is an art of turning the impossible into possible, just like how I turn a morning coffee into endless inspiration. So, pick up your pen, ignite your mind, and let's draw a deep and lasting vision for life. You won't need a time machine to explore the future. Just be patient and know what you truly want. Are you ready for this life-orienting journey? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any exciting adventures with us. Let's get started, shall we? Part 1. The importance of life vision. Hello everyone. Imagine life as an action movie. You are the main actor, and your life vision is the epic script you write for yourself. But wait, are you sure you're playing the right role, or are you just a supporting actor in someone else's story? You see, a life vision is not just something to stick on the wall for decoration. It's like a magical compass that keeps you from getting lost in the vast ocean of life. Just think, without a vision, you'll easily lose your way, like I lose myself in a shoe store during a sale. A clear vision helps you focus your energy, like how I focus on a pizza when I'm on a diet. When you have a clear destination, every step becomes meaningful, and you no longer have to wonder, what am I doing with my life? If life is a journey, then the vision is the lighthouse shining in the dark. It guides and maintains your motivation, even when facing challenges. You will no longer feel like a lost shooting star, but become a sun with a clear orbit. So if you want your life to be more than just a long, monotonous string of days, start building your vision today. Don't hesitate to be creative and make each day a colorful chapter in your life. Part 2. Identifying personal values. Have you ever stared into the mirror and wondered, who am I? Where is this place? It's okay, you're not alone, as many of us are still trying to find personal values amidst the thousands of meaningless things in life. Identifying personal values is like finding the golden key to open the door of life. It is a guide that helps you make decisions and live a meaningful life. Don't worry. Not everyone knows what they truly value from the start. Just like I used to think my value lay in the ability to eat an entire pizza in just 10 minutes. Identifying personal values is like an exploration deep into the soul. Spend time with yourself and write down what you truly cherish. This not only helps you understand yourself better, but also helps you set goals accurately and inspiringly. Psychologists say, recognizing personal values is like finding your treasure map. Once identified, you won't easily get caught up in trivial things and will know how to prioritize what truly matters. Personal values are not fixed or dry. They change and grow with you. Let them be the lamp that lights your way, helping you live a life that is not just worth living, but also meaningful and happy. So, start your journey of discovering your own values today. Who knows, you might find a superhero hidden deep inside you. Part 3. Setting long-term goals. If life is a space journey, then setting long-term goals is drawing the roadmap to prevent you from drifting into a black hole. But how do you ensure this doesn't turn into a marathon with no finish line? There's a saying that a person without goals is like a ship without a rudder, just gliding on the water but going nowhere. And if you don't want your life to drift aimlessly like a leaf on a stream, the first thing to do is set goals. Setting long-term goals isn't a dry task. Imagine you're creating a wish list for yourself. Interestingly, you can totally allow yourself to dream big. And don't forget, every goal you set is a brick building the path to success. But hey, don't forget to break those big dreams into specific steps. Break them down into shorter, more achievable goals. It's just like you can't eat an entire giant pizza in one go. Cut it into slices. Hear it from someone who succeeded. Setting long-term goals helps me stay motivated and not lose my way. Whenever I feel tired, I just look back at my goals and know that today's efforts are for the accomplishments of tomorrow. So, are you ready to set long-term goals for yourself? Remember, no dream is too big if you know how to start with small steps. Turn life into a beautiful painting with colorful goals. Part 4. Planning Actions. Welcome to the most exciting part of the journey, planning actions. Yes, it's time to turn those big dreams into tangible steps. And if you ever thought plans were only for mad scientists, think again. Planning actions is like preparing a recipe for your success. Think of it as arranging the necessary ingredients to create a wonderful dish. You need to know what you need and when to add the spices. You don't need to be a prophet to plan. Just be clear about your goals and steps. Start with simple things, like setting weekly schedules or noting down daily tasks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but every brick needs to be placed correctly. The great thing about a plan is you can always adjust it. Be flexible like a yoga athlete. Know when to bend and when to stay firm. Don't be afraid of mistakes, as each adjustment is a step closer to the goal. Hear from someone who succeeded through planning. My plans aren't always perfect, but they help me know where I'm going and what I need to do next. And remember, a plan only has real value when you put it into action. So, are you ready to plan actions for your life? Pick up your pen, write down specific steps, and start your journey today. Remember, each day is an opportunity to get closer to your dreams. Part 5. Evaluating and Adjusting. Hello, you have reached the final part of the journey, where you become your own toughest critic. Yes, we're talking about evaluating and adjusting, an indispensable part to ensure you don't get lost in a maze of mistakes. Evaluating is like doing a regular health checkup for your goals. You need to know how well you're progressing and what needs improvement. No one wants to be a machine running in circles without knowing the direction, right? Don't worry if things aren't perfect from the start. Like a good chef who knows how to adjust the seasoning, you also need to know when to add or subtract to make your plan delicious. Remember, adjusting is not failing. It's a sign of growth and adaptability. Each adjustment is another lesson learned, bringing you closer to the destination. Hear from someone who succeeded through flexibility. Every time I evaluate my plans, I discover things I can improve. Adjusting doesn't slow me down, but helps me move faster with valuable lessons. So, are you ready to become your own tough critic? Start evaluating and adjusting your plans today, so every day is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, no journey is perfect, only the journey that always moves forward. Life is a canvas where you are the main painter. Remember, every stroke and color you choose contributes to the masterpiece. Don't be afraid to use bold colors, and don't hesitate to erase the imperfect parts. Always be confident that you can create a masterpiece. Every new day is an opportunity to start over, to live the life you always dreamed of. Be brave and leave your mark on this journey. The world is waiting for you, the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep the flame of passion and curiosity alive in your heart, as it is the key to unlocking the doors of the future. Don't forget that you have the power to make dreams come true. Just believe and act. See you in new, exciting journeys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to explore more wonderful things together. Wishing you a wonderful and meaningful life. Goodbye.